Today we're dealing with Luke 10 and 41. And the fear that's involved is Dagon, deals with anxious, concern, worry. Dagon is used when Martha is distracted by many things. Jesus identifies her Dagon, her anxious and internal noise. But he encourages her. Jesus isn't asking her for perfection. He's asking her for her presence. Let's evaluate ourselves. Is my service for God making me resentful of others who seem at rest? Action step. Sit in silence for 10 minutes today. Do nothing. Just be with Jesus. Remember, Martha had anxiety because she was serving too much. I've been Reverend Dr. Patricia Ficklin, and your fear for today was Dagon, anxious, concern, worry.